Okay, there we go. Good morning, guys. I hope you had nice sleep. Not really. Let me check how is the audio here. Right, okay. Okay, give me a second. Yeah. Why is bouncy? For the guys in TikTok, does the picture bounce for you? In my end, it looks like it's bouncing. Right, okay. Is it? I don't know why. Okay, guys, let's do the most important bit. Let's start with goat. First, we're gonna go to the daily candles, right? So we have still the weekly range here. Let's see the yesterday daily. We had a black day yesterday. So we're gonna, let me fix this. We're gonna put the previous day low right here. And then we're gonna put the previous day high right here. So we have the weekly range. We're inside. So we don't have a weekly trend up or down. We have the daily candle, which we are inside. So the bottom and the top are still in play. And now for this session, let me check the DR. It breaks above and it came down. Bad DR, bad DR. Why are you doing this? Right, we're gonna turn it off now because there's plenty of time. And I just wanna mark previous day low, Asian lows, and of course the highs. And let's take a second to see where exactly we are. We're in a bit of a range, guys, not gonna lie. We're in a bit of a range, which is not ideal. Right, let me try to fix this for a sec. Okay. In TikTok, let me know, is it any better? Right, meanwhile, we're gonna do it the same very fast with Nasdaq. We're on the daily, this is the weekly. What happened yesterday? We had a green day. DR went even pretty high. Right, we have the previous day low, previous day highs, and we can see that we almost, just almost took this liquidity, but we didn't. Then we have the Asian highs right here. Guys in TikTok, let me see, is this any better? It look a little bit better, right? Kind of. Mm. And we have the lows, which we just took just a minute before the open. So you know, I put the Frankfurt and Asia session is during the Frankfurt as well, during the Frankfurt open. So this last candle, it's where exactly is the low. So we're just where the low are, the Asian lows. And if we zoom out, we'll see we're pretty close to the previous week high and previous day high. This is no brainer. Our bias is bullish. While is the opposite here for gold? Bearish. But let's see the open. Today I'm gonna stay for the DRI DR window as well. I'll be here for more trading opportunities. This thing is, why still keep doing that? Bouncing around. Nice, you don't say anything. Let's see now. Let's see now. Now it looks better. Yes. Now it looks way better. No bouncy bouncy. Okay, everything is open on this side. Let's follow the first orb. Let me see where was the 7 o'clock. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. So this was the orb during the Frankfurt session, right? So this is the orb during the Frankfurt session. And right here, you will enter short, stop loss right here. And you get just 1 hour in the morning session. Now we are trending above the Frankfurt orb, which is a bullish sign. This is a pretty bullish sign. Right, we have the fourth candle. On the other end, we have pretty nasty range here. In these conditions, we don't trade orb. So what happened with the Frankfurt orb? Break even. It's break even and we're inside of it. I really want to see what DAX did. During the open, I think the same thing. It breaks above. Oh no, maybe, yeah, it hit 1R. Yeah, okay. DAX. This is the German index. And this is the fifth. We have liquidity sweep here. On gold on those highs. So you can see how the orb from the Frankfurt session and the orb of the London session are on the same place, right? This is because of this consideration here of this range, which is not ideal. Now we had liquidity sweep from the bottom as well here. But this range, it's not in our favor. Now this will be a risky trade. But we have liquidity sweep. And we have liquidity target. Let me check. Again, the same problem. Well, no more TikTok then. I don't know why somebody reposts me on TikTok or what's going on, but TikTok is gone. Just a sec. Okay, God breaks above with big force. What do you think, chat? Breakout or fake out? YouTube chat? Yes, indeed. I like Nasdaq more. And we can try here, to be honest. Yeah. Hmm. The only thing I don't like is this range. This is a fast drop. Right, guys, I'm just marking the potential trades we didn't took. Recent days, I don't think the conditions are perfect, to be honest. Like gold, it's moving slowly upwards. What do you think, chat? Yeah, drop a like, guys. That'll help me a lot as well. If you just drop a like. Hmm. Gold is not looking bad, to be honest. Look at Nasdaq. No, I don't like those conditions, really. Look at this. It break this trend line, which gave me some confidence, but nah. I prefer to stay out in these conditions. Have you took anything, chat? Okay, we had retest here on the orb. We have fair value gap here. We have another one. We're still inside the orb. Look at this. We're still inside the orb from the Frankfurt. This is bullish confirmation. Yeah, gold doesn't look very bad. What do you think? Goat. Yeah. It's gonna open new 5-minute candle now. Did you took something, chat? Nope. Right, same here. This huge range on Nasdaq just. You see on 1 hour? Just ugly candles here. Morning, Wolf. How you doing, my friend? Did you get your account? Oh, up and running. Very good. I'm good as well, thank you. Did you took any trades today? With the new account, you're already funded? Yes, gold is break even. Gold long and waiting for Nasdaq. This is with your new funded account, yeah? I wish you luck then. I wish you luck. Where did you enter on gold? Break of 10 minutes. Yeah, you use 10 minutes orb very often, don't you? Oh, you watched on 5 minutes? The first two candles, I guess. So does your trade look something like this? Your entry is right here. And when do you put your stop loss? On the bottom? First two candles, yes. I wish you good luck, my friend. I wish you good luck. Yeah, it's we have a bullish momentum. With respect this fair value gap, it become inverted. It keep going up. We collect liquidity. We keep going up. We collect more liquidity. And just now we collect a bit more liquidity. And this is normal. And we have the Asian highs. And we should take them. And you should be very careful once we take those highs. Right. It's very interesting how you trade the orb in a different way than us. You do at the 10 minutes. Dynamic stop loss according to TradingView auto chart. Yeah, it's always better to keep an eye on your trades and just risk management during the live session. Set and forget, it's a good way as well, but yeah, it's always better to keep an eye on your trades. Yeah, I know you like the 5 minutes, and I was saying that it's crazy how you use the orb in totally different way. Like I use the 5 minutes on 1 minute chart and 15 minutes on 5 minute chart, and you're somewhere in the middle. Here on the 5 minute chart and 10 minutes orb. 15-minute orb on 15-minute chart. Yeah, I've seen that as well. Wolf, are you familiar with DR IDR strategy? Have you heard of it? In 1 minute and 45 seconds, you're gonna have candle close right here, maybe by the 10-minute orb. This is a very small window again from the open. Right, we keep on watching the 15 minutes orb in 5 minutes. Nasdaq's gonna be break even as well. Exactly break even. Nasdaq is break even. Well, what we expect in those conditions, you know. Nothing new. No entry. No, there is no entry today. For now. On Nasdaq, I didn't like this range here. But now we start doing the same upwards. So we have change of character. We have change of character right here. On gold, what can I tell you? Yes, we're in an upwards move. Yes, Asian highs are very close. But still, I didn't like on 1 minute what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this was the breaking. Even if we entered on both, they're break even. So, you know. I like on Nasdaq, what I like is the break of structure. I like that we took liquidity. We made break of structure with this impulsive candle, and we left this fair value gap, right? We left this fair value gap. We came back into the fair value gap, and then we pushed up. That's why I'm thinking about potential entry with stop loss under those lows here. Something like this. Let's see. Oh, my days gold. Come on, push to the Asian highs. So Mr. Wolf can change his stop loss to break even and be risk free and take some money of his. I don't know if it's your first funded account or not, but I'm rooting for you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mamma mia. Did you saw this candle? What a candle. Our idea is gone. Now, if we close inside the fair value gap, we might get even better entry. But by the look of it, nope, nope, nope. Oh yes, this is a typical reversal candle. Open with a wick and go the other direction. Yeah, in days like this, I'm happy that yeah, it's a win. It's a win. Statistically, we have bigger chances with the next orb now. Did we took the Asian lows? So our bias changed really fast now. I think we have candle closure or not. Not really, no. It's inside the range. What we have here is inverted fair value gap. Watch closely, chat, because this is something you might not know. Inverted fair value gap. And here we made a fair value gap, which is inside the inverted fair value gap. Do you see them? So this is called BPR fair value gap. And it have double power. This is upgraded one. Because think logically, you have resistance from the inverted fair value gap, and now you have resistance from the fair value gap. So from here, we might expect this to happen. And by the candles we're seeing, I don't think it's a bad entry as well. I don't think it's a bad entry. We have a lot of good targets down here. Like this can be our target right here. This can be our target. Do you see it? So if we entered right here somewhere with stop loss above those highs and TP right here, it's 2R, not bad, not bad. Now there is only one thing that stops us at the moment. That we took the Asian lows and it's predictable and the orb. But if the candle close below the 5-minute orb, we're gonna have two confirmations, don't we? Let's see. It's very interesting situation here. Price action. Mr. Wolf, let's go. We're breaking above. Mr. Wolf, be careful. We are very close to the Asian highs now. No, we're not gonna enter here definitely. Oof. This took a bad turn. Come on, goat, recover. Right, guys, once again, I'll be more than grateful if you hit the like button so this live can be recommended to more people. The question is, are we gonna see a big drop from here? Ooh, beautiful candle for gold. The 5-minute one. This is a good recovery. Just hold it on. Come on. You can hold it on, gold. Is this what we wanted to see? Asian laws get swept and candle closing above? Disrespecting those fair value gaps and inverted fair value gap, aka BPR fair value gap? Come on, gold, recover for Mr. Wolf. How the 1 hour look like? There's 21 more minutes. 4 hour candle looks good. We're still in 15 minutes range, guys. We're still in this green 15-minute candle. 30 minutes later, we can't break above or below. Thank you. Would I enter if I see candle closing above? You bet I do. Those drops are real on Nasdaq. Like, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes is grinding, and then with one candle, everything is gone. Sorry about that. Okay, a little bit of green power. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Volume start kicking in 8:40, 40 minutes after the open. And Mr. Wolf, that's good news for you as well. Look what gold is doing. Gold just recover. A beautiful candle. 8:41. What happened in 8:41? Everything started going up. Chad, did you get any trades? Did you manage to get something out of the market today in those bad conditions? Slow conditions? Somebody? Anything? This might be our chance here. Right, one more minute. Let's prepare my trading platform. One more minute. I want to see a good candle closing. There's one more minute. Now, if you ask what's going to be the stop loss, I think we're going to keep it a little bit tighter and we're going to put it under this candle. Under the 5-minute candle. Not on the bottom of the orb. Under the 5-minute candle. If you ask for a target, Asia high and previous day high. Exactly to our. This will be beautiful. But first, we want to see a good candle closing above. Twelve more minutes. Seconds, minutes. We don't have the conditions, guys. It closed just on the line. We don't have the conditions. Whoa, goat. Whoa, Mr. Wolf. Woof, woof. Mr. Wolf. Are you here, Mr. Wolf? Did you took your profits? Oh my days. What a candle. 7 ticks candle. Mr. Wolf. Right, guys? Yes, it is indeed. This candle is too big for the orb. Yeah, it's good we didn't enter on this Nasdaq trade. This is the barcode we talk about the whole morning, and it did the same now. Right, guys. I'm gonna put this one here for you. Oop. Be right back. I can't make it bigger. My days. Right. Never mind. I will leave the window like this for you, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna make some protein shake, and there is 13 minutes till the IDR/DR window opens. So we're gonna open our eyes for trade down there, then in the DR session. But first, I'll have to make myself a protein shake or something because I didn't have breakfast. And I'll be back very soon. Hi guys. From the top to the bottom, from the top to the bottom. Okay, listen now. You're scrapping the ARP idea on both. Look at this goat, my days. And we're gonna open the DR IDR market. What? No. This is the one. I'm gonna have break below, maybe. This is what I wanted to do. Trade idea. We go long here. With stop loss under this wick. TP on the top. If it's gonna make a rangy move like this. Right. This is the last 5-minute candle. Before we close the DR IDR window. And after that, we might see something. Okay, guys, 2 more minutes. Okay. What did I told you about this entry here on the line for reversal to the upside? What did I told you about this entry here on the line? Okay, it didn't work. DR IDR window, it's officially open. Ta-da-da-da. Plan A, if we close below, above on goat, our stop loss entry will be somewhere here, and stop loss will be under this candle, like this. This will be the stop loss. And take profit will be probably previous day high. This is how it's gonna look like. It's gonna be a long trade though. A very long one. Yeah. To be honest, I like option 2 more. If we close below on Nasdaq, the stop loss will be on top of this candle. Maybe below the fair value gap, one of both. And TP, we have plenty of space. Maybe to the downside minimum, like this, of the DR. With this ranging condition, guys, it doesn't look perfect, really. Nothing interesting, guys. Meanwhile, I'm gonna schedule right 2:15. I'm scheduling the next live session today, New York Open. Right, be right back. We're gonna watch them for a couple more minutes and yeah, I'll close the stream soon. So we'll see in the next 10 minutes what's gonna happen. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, something interesting is going on. Now, if we manage to close like this, we might enter. With stop loss on the top of the candle, which is making the fair value gap. 3 more seconds. Okay, let's try this one. Now, the entry, it looks like this. Stop loss on top of this candle. TP, will think about it later on. Okay, something excited happened here. Finally. The trade looks like this. TP. On those lows here. For now. With the range we are in, I'm expecting a fast week out. Okay, we start moving. We start moving.
$31,000.
Looks low. To be honest, I think we can kill this one. What do you think? Hmm. We need some sellers. Stepping in. Right, guys. So let's see this candle. See what gold is doing. Right, close above and it came back down. Very painful to watch. Yeah, the momentum structure is down. But this range is just painful. We didn't saw any. There was just a little push when we entered. Just a little push. Then it came back. Right, so definitely I will kill this deal. I will close it once it comes down to the price on break even. And I think I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. Thank you for being with me, and yeah, see you next time.